Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at the Northwood Arctic Fox. This is a 25Y model. It's really a nice unit. I like to call these the Mercedes of trailers. It's a beautiful, nice, well-built, durable unit. Just by looking at the outside, it's the cap, full fiberglass, nice rhino liner protectant here. Beautiful pass-through, it's solar ready. You've got a nice little hamper here. I'll show you that from the inside, but nice pass-through and lots of storage. You've got fiberglass outside, and then it's also got your stabilizer jacks. They're all power, and there's a button at each one, at each spot, all the way around the unit. Beautiful unit. Let's walk inside and check it out. Big propane tanks, power lift jack. Here's the other side of your pass-through, of course. It does have a battery kill switch, which is really nice, a nice feature, and a light in there as well. Your other exit door. Nice big power awning, outdoor speakers. Now as you walk in, you got a nice couch. Big windows back here, so when you back into your RV spot, you've got great views. Nice blinds and shades. Pull down, makes it real easy. Lots of storage. And guys, this is a well-built unit. I mean, this thing is solid. Fantastic fan here in the front as well, which is awesome. Nice little skylight here. Beautiful countertops. Now, under here, you got a place for your trash can. Nice little spot there, makes it easy so you're not hauling it through your trailer. Lots of storage in there as well. Nice little spice rack in here. Another cool thing that Northwood does that is really nice. I love these pull-out drawers. Lots of storage. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, pots and pans, whatever you need. More storage space. There's tons of storage in here, and it's all solid wood, nicely built, beautiful fit and finish. Nice entertainment center, fireplace. It'll heat the whole unit up. You can't beat that. Nice fridge and freezer, oven, cooktop, the basic stuff. Now let's walk into the bedroom here. The unique thing about this is lots of closet space. For a unit this size, it's got tons of closet space. You got a closet there, and then remember earlier I was talking to you about the hamper. Right here, this is kind of a cool thing. Just drop your clothes right in the wastebasket, right? Or not in the wastebasket, in the hamper basket right there. It's really nice. Also another fantastic fan. Two windows here, so you get a nice cross breeze. Like I said, ton of storage everywhere. Well-built fit and finish. And then here's your bathroom right here. You got a nice sink, beautiful medicine cabinet, nice glass shower, really big, with a skylight. And it's just a well-built, beautiful product. Now, if you have any questions on any Northwood product or any RV or trailer that we have, please come see me, Big Sal, at Guaranty RV. My number is 951-443-8323. Thanks.